Faced with hardwood, you need a high-speed wood-cutting tool. With high efficiency. For faster cuts, our wear-resistant chains and high-power motor, cutting faster, improving efficiency. Ultra-long lifespan, durable and reliable. A regular gasoline saw won't last long for efficiency attenuation. UYUSTOOLS Gas Chainsaw can make aggressive cuts with extended service life. Helps you easily conquer every inch of wood. Fuel-efficient technology, lower cost. One liter of oil. Our gasoline saw can do more cuts. More cost-effective in long-term use. Strong power and long service life. More fuel efficient. Professional choice. You can always trust in us for quality and support.